Welcome to our channel Sohafairs. If you want to know how do I talk to a live person at Copa Airlines. If you want to travel with Copa Airlines and want to connect with their customer service but do not know how do I talk to a live person at Copa Airlines. Then you can connect with them through their customer service number or through email. If you feel is easy to connect, you can use that. Follow the given steps through which you can connect with their airline. Connect through phone. You can connect with their customer service over the phone and solve your query. Follow the steps to get the phone number. To get the Copa Airlines contact number, go to Copa Airlines official website. Select the Contact Us option. Here you will get their phone number. Connect through email. The other option to connect with Copa Airlines is email. If you cannot connect with the airline through a phone number, then you can use email mode. Here is the procedure. To find the email address, tap on their official website. Click on the Contact Us option. There you will see the email icon. Click on that. Now you can easily email them your query. When Copa Airlines customer service receives your email, they will respond to you. These are two ways through which you can connect with their customer service. Now you know how to contact Copa Airlines from Colombia. You can also connect with them through chat and social media. If you still have any queries, then you can visit the Copa Airlines website and connect with them.